What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a sound comparison between my F30 335i and this F80 M3 competition. I put 200 miles on the M3 and thought, damn, this is better than my car in almost every way. It looks better, it handles better, it's faster, but does it sound better? Sound might be the only category where my car can put up a real fight against the M3. My 335i has the AWE Touring non-resonated catback exhaust with a boot mode stage 2 tune. The M3 has an aftermarket downpipe and midpipe with stock mufflers, but I did forget to ask the owner what brand the midpipe and downpipes are, so I guess that's going to remain a mystery. Let me know which one you think sounds better, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe while you're at it.